What's up, guys? Where are we?
Invermere.
We're in Invermere today.
Yeah.
At the Invermere bike park.
Nope.
That's not a thing. No, we're at Swansea Mountain
Recreation Trails.
Recreation Trails. Sarah, which trail are we riding today?
We are going to take a peek on HULA Girl.
HULA Girl. So we are right here. HULA Girl runs
Yep.
this one here. Da 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 down to the parking lot. We had to bike up.
Yeah,
Kind of sucked.
Sucked.
Yeah.
Didn't push my bike for me, so subscribe for kindness. Here's the description. A mix of chunk and flow that will put a smile on your face. A super fast and flowy start leads to a 400 meters of beautiful machine-built trail featuring step-ups, rollers, tables, and berms. Following this new section, you will drop into some fast, chunky rocks and roots that will test your suspension, with the option of adding in a large step-up feature, a favorite amongst locals and visitors alike.
There you go. Let's hop on. HULA boy. Here we go, baby. Oh, I don't really have a front brake right now. Okay, we did drop our tire pressure. Whoa, but I don't have a brake. Okay, let's keep up to this maniac. Jared's on a dirt jumper as usual. So no front brake for him. I have a front brake, but I have to bleed it, so it's not working very good. Oh, nice jump, Jerry. Oh, that's smooth. I'm glad I put my tires down. Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh, oh. Nice turn. Rock jump. Oh, need a break. Damn. Whew. Yeah, Jerry. Whoa, what's this? Cool. No way. Oh. Whoa. Should probably wait for Sarah at some point. We caught him in the tech. Give him a little bit of space. He's on a dirt jumper with 80 mils of travel and a rear brake. I'm so glad I lowered my tire pressure, because I would have crashed by now. Really got to keep your speed. We should wait for Sarah for a minute.
Dude, my brakes are not working. I need brakes for this.
Your brakes? Only one brake, buddy.
One brake is not working.
There she is. I couldn't hear you. I was yelling for you.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. So I ran up to check on you.
Yeah, I'm fine.
We'll see how smooth this video is after. If it's smooth, it's gonna be a cool view.
Oh, I need a mental break.
A lentil break? Jerry's just down around the corner here.
I have been doing stuff that I've been scared of, like the big rocks. This guy handles really well. Hey, Jerry. How's that?
Oh, he's dead. CPR, 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 CPR. Like an engine turning over.
Oh, it's that?
You guys just took off flying. I'm like, yeah, I'm not catching them at all.
Man.
Okay, we're gonna let Sarah go ahead here a little bit, then try and find a nice jump, and then just sesh the nuts off of it.
Whoa.
Whoom. They call him half sus Jerry. Oh, is there I think there's a jump coming up.
Yeah, we gotta go to the last spot.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the jump, yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll go up again.
Oh.
Dude, that's
Oh,
I saw this, but it didn't look like this.
I might have seen this on, this is the one we saw walking up. I might have seen a video of this. Sick. Okay, this is gonna be a thumbnail picky.
This landing sucks.
Yeah, but I think you more so land flat. Physics, I'll roll and see how high I go here, and that's where I'll start from, right here. It's probably a 5th gear production right here.
Oh my god.
Think that's good? This is sick.
It is so
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, can you get can one of you take a video and one take a picture? Okay, dropping. Whoa! Whew! Yeah, I didn't think I'd make it that far either, but
You were flying though. When I was watching you come down, I was like, oh. I thought you were gonna f***ing land over there, to be honest.
here's your toque, dude.
Ah!
Whoa!
I hit a rock or something.
Show them what you got, Jerry.
He's not working too well anymore.
Turn it sideways.
Right around the corner after Sarah filmed there, we hit some rocks and Jared blew a tire. So the bottom of Hula Girl is just right around the corner here, like
Yeah,
Like
that's still a long
30
ways back to the
meters.
car now.
oh yeah, right.
Hey, Jerry. This is a biking trail. What are you doing?
I don't like this place. Let me give you a 1-star review on Google Reviews.
Are you gonna jump over me? Sure. Okay, go.
Jump over, Sarah, 2021!
Nice. Ah! I know, Jerry was coming. Get set! Go!
Oh.
Where do I even look at it for?
Be careful.
Just chase it.
Okay.
That was good aim though.